Hi, I'm Veronica Lance, the Program Manager for NOAA CoastWatch, OceanWatch, PolarWatch program. I'm presenting this on behalf of the great work of the entire NOAA CoastWatch team. I'd like to acknowledge our upstream data providers, including the science teams at NOAA Center for Satellite Applications and Research, the Oceanography and Climatology Division, NOAA Polar and Geostationary Missions, along with many non-NOAA data providers, including international partners such as Copernicus, JAXA, NASA, and others. I'd also like to acknowledge our funders at NESDIS, including the Joint Polar Satellite Systems. CoastWatch exists to help people use ocean satellite data for knowledge and decisions that lead them to actions. CoastWatch has the tools, services, and guidance to help users find and use the right data for their applications. We do this through a range of services, from easy access to the data, through our data portal, for example, to hands-on training in our satellite data training courses, to collaborations on new products and applications, and then we help move the research into operations. And our data catalog has grown exponentially from our origins about 30 years ago, beginning with sea surface temperature and just a few data products, and now we're serving the full range of the 8 parameters that we've discussed, and the data volume has grown tremendously. The types of products are broad to serve many different user purposes. I'll have a little more about applications later, but let's talk now about the full range of satellite, ocean, coastal, and increasingly inland water observations that are available. We have 8 primary environmental parameters. The categories are temperature, color, altimetry, which gives you sea surface height and sea level anomalies, winds, including magnitude and direction. SAR is synthetic aperture radar, which is an active microwave technique that returns the roughness of the surface in very high resolution, providing observations that form the basis of many products like wind, sea ice, coastal flooding, oil spills, ship detections, many different products. We also have sea ice and salinity, which salinity comes in a very coarse resolution, and other imagery like true color, which makes that realistic picture. Today I'll share 3 examples of new applications. The one first is United Nations Sustainable Development Goals for eutrophication. Second will be about the Sargassum inundation bulletins. And third, the use of Copernicus Sentinel-2 data for coastal and inland water quality. Here we have an example where a JPSS Proving Ground project indirectly resulted in the development of this intraseasonal chlorophyll anomaly product by the NOAA Ocean Color team using JPSS Spheres data. This daily global chlorophyll A anomaly follows the method of Stumpf et al. In 2003, who developed for an earlier ocean color satellite a regional harmful algal bloom monitoring based on a 61-day median reference for the chlorophyll. These Spheres chlorophyll anomaly maps are now being used by the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals program as an indicator metric to help member countries monitor eutrophication trends in their respective EEZs. Since around 2011, massive amounts of sargassum are arriving to the Caribbean and Gulf of Mexico shores and have major economic, social, environmental, and public health impacts, disrupting tourism, fishing, shipping, and coastal ecosystems. In partnership with Caracus, OAR, the University of South Florida, WHO et al., and IOCaribe, CoastWatch monitors, tracks, and reports sargassum inundation for coastal communities. CoastWatch provides unique satellite-based operational capabilities for sargassum detection an integrated database for ground truth observations based on citizen science, and the Sargassum inundation reports to evaluate the risk associated with the arrival of Sargassum to the coastal areas. NOAA VIIRS, Copernicus Sentinel-2 MSI data, and Sentinel-3 ULCI satellite data, along with model data, are incorporated to produce these maps and bulletins. In partnership with NOAA's National Center for Coastal Ocean Services, CoastWatch helps to get satellite observations to state and private organizations concerned with managing water quality of their respective regions. Here we're focused on the Chesapeake Bay and various stakeholders there. Data inputs are courtesy of Copernicus. Imagery and maximum chlorophyll index is mapped from Sentinel-2, and Sentinel-3 ULCI products include true color, chlorophyll, and fluorescence. A similar suite of products is put together for Lake Anna, Virginia, and the Lake Anna Civic Association is very happy to have these products to help them monitor their water quality. Thank you for the opportunity to update you on some of the new projects going on at CoastWatch. For more on CoastWatch activities, products, tools, and services, please visit our website or contact our help desk for assistance. Subscribe to our email list for announcements, or email me directly. Thanks and have a good day.